Yeah, we're good. Go ahead.
Today on Big Steve Builds Things, we're going to be making fighter jets. They start off just like a regular paper plane. Take a piece of any kind of paper you have, printer paper, construction paper, a newspaper, anything you got. Fold it in half, long ways. Try to keep it as even as you can. What you got? Now, pick a side, either side, and you're going to fold the corner down so it makes a small triangle. Make a nice straight line. Then do the same thing on the other side. See what you got there? Okay. Now, you're going to make an even bigger triangle by taking the top corner of the triangle you just made and bringing that down to the center line. See how that gives you a nice aerodynamic shape? Do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Now you pretty much got your standard, if you're just folded over, got your standard paper plane there. Okay, but we go one step further. So leave yourself about an inch or about a thumb length from the back and fold your paper over. So you've got a regular looking paper airplane. Now, here's where we dress it up. Keep your wings folded down. And where you folded over the first time, aim for about half of that and just fold it down one more time. This is what gives you those cool looking rocket booster things on the side. Do the same thing on the other side. Now the front. We want this cool looking taper right there. So it cuts through the air when it's going faster than the speed of sound. So what we do there is just find where your little engine starts at the little corner and fold that down to your center line. See that? You have a long triangle. Do the same thing on the other side. Making a long triangle. And the ends of the wings, you're going to want to just bend those up just a little bit. Quarter inch worth. Just gives it one more fold. And then you open it up. That engine's in the back, but now we need the rudder in the back to make it look really mean, like a real plane. And the way you do that is grab a pair of scissors, and you've got your center line there, and where you made your original fold, and you're going to make a cut going from the back of the plane to, or from the back of the plane to the front of the plane. So if I can show you how to do that, it's right like that. So when you fold it right side up, now it's got that taper, just like a real airplane.